Okay, so hi dear Libra, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal of reading for all the Libra, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising from 6th till the 12th of July 2026. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, this is definitely not your story. Please don't try to forcibly fit yourself into the reading, honey. Sometimes the messages are not for you, okay? For personal reading healing session, check out the description box, will find the links below. And for tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono Masterclass 2, links are given below. So let's start. Let's see. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment. Let's see. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are. We have the Five of Cups. There is disappointment in the situation, certain kind of regret and or guilt or crying over spilled milk kind of energies there in the situation right now from this person's side. They're quite sad the way things are going on. Somebody's not feeling good about the situation right now. They might be having another troubles going on apart from this situation. Let's clarify the Five of Cups as their feelings for this particular situation between you and them, Libra. We have the Devil, okay, Four of Pentacles, and the Nine of Swords. They're still holding on to that toxicity, negativity, unhealthy kind of energy that is creating so many issues in the situation, but they're refusing to let go of those things that are hurting you, hurting this connection as a couple between you and them, not you personally. So this is somebody who's very stressed out that they need to do something about the situation, because at the end of the day this is toxic, unhealthy, and it's making them sad, but they're not able to understand what they should do. There might be a third party here, a romantic third party energy. Like one of you might be married or committed to somebody else, and that is creating more issues. So this person is feeling like stressed out beyond words, not able to sleep at night, but they are still holding on to something toxic or negative that they should not be, and that is creating more and more issues in the situation between you and them. Cool. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Libra? We have the Three of Cups. From your side, you feel like keeping yourself socially active and keeping yourself open to the idea of coming together or coming back together with someone, but in a light-hearted way, in a genuine, light-hearted, friendly kind of a way. Let's clarify the Three of Cups as your feelings for this particular person or situation, honey. We have the Six of Pentacles, the Hermit, and the High Priestess. Yes, you are in this energy of bringing the balance back to the situation by your experiences that you have gone through till this point of your life. Using your intuition, you feel like not creating any kind of drama here. You feel like keeping things harmonious, keeping things balanced, keeping things friendly and happy go lucky. Now, if you guys are not married or committed to each other on that level, like committed on that level that you guys are very serious, you definitely feel like keeping things light-hearted. And if there is something very stressful going on in the situation, you feel like bringing the child like happy-go-lucky energy in the situation and handling the situation with that energy. But there is a sense of light-heartedness. There is a sense of, yes, we can do it. Let's not make war. Let's make love. That kind of energy. Not very seriously though. The approach is very light-hearted. The approach is very friendly. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? We have the Three of Wands in reverse. This person doesn't want to wait anymore. They want to do something about the situation right now. They are like they were waiting and waiting and waiting and hoping for something to happen. They are not even able to move on from the situation. Something happened that hurt this person, and they're still holding on to that hurt or pain very strongly. They're not able to let it go, and now they just don't want to wait for, I don't know what. Let's clarify the Three of Wands in reverse. They might not be trying to move on from you. They might be definitely trying to move on from the situation between you and them, the toxic one, the unhealthy one, the situation that's bringing a lot of pain. Oh my goodness, we have The Ace of Cups in reverse, the Page of Swords in reverse. What is happening here? And the Queen of Cups. Cool. This person tried their best to keep their heart open to the energy of giving it another shot. They try to distance themselves, they try to keep their heart open, they try to come back around. They are tired now. This person is very, very tired now from this on and off, in and out. We are together, we are not together, we should separate, we should stay together kind of energy. Now they just want to take a break from the situation. They don't want to wait for the situation to improve. They don't want for them to keep themselves stuck in the situation. So they just want to into this energy of self-love, self-care, self-love, self-care, and self-healing. And they just want to make sure that they're not going to lose themselves because of their situation, because they have already lost a good amount of time, effort, and energy in this situation, according to them. They don't. So now they just don't want to wait for the time when things are going to improve, when you guys are going to be on the same page, when everything is going to be fine. Now they just want to shift all of their focus on themselves, their money, job, career, finances, most importantly their self-love, self-care, and self-healing kind of thing. This person wants to be at peace, and that's not happening. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side before proceeding further. Let me invite you guys one last time for the 10 days Osho meditation camp that's happening from tomorrow, from 4:30 p.m. onwards online. And I'll teach you 10 Osho meditations, one meditation every day, and five Vigyan Bhairav Tantra meditation techniques, and one breathing exercises also that you can use to regulate your nervous system. So if you want to start or restart your healing or spiritual journey, or you want to enter into Osho's world, this is a fantastic opportunity. Link is given below for the same. Read all the instructions properly before you guys are going to apply, because the fees is non-refundable, honey. Okay, so let's start. From your side, let's see what we have. Okay, come here. We have the Six of Swords. From your side, you just feel like finding a peaceful solution to the problem that you guys are facing in the situation. None of you is drifting apart as an energy. Energetically, both of you are still very much connected. Okay. And when it comes to the surface level or physical level energies, both of you are trying to drift apart. But at the same time, you are trying your best to maintain the peace and the harmony in the situation as much as you can, finding a peaceful solution. Let's clarify the Six of Swords here as your intentions, honey. Libra. I have the Nine of Cups, the World card, the Five of Swords. You just don't want to think about only your happiness. You want to think about the situation. Okay, you want to take care of both the parties here, you and the person that you're attached to. You want to take care of the situation as a whole, huh? And you want to remove the stressful energies, this not so good energies, maybe ego battles, some kind of manipulation, or some kind of fight or arguments are going on. You want to settle it down, tone it down, and you want to have a peaceful solution. You just want to maintain calm and peace in the situation in whatever way possible. And you are thinking about all the people, all the energies involved in the situation, basically you too. And you want to find a solution here. You are in this zone of let's not make war, let's make love and compassion. And the other person is not able to understand that. They are stressed out, they are tired. Now they just want peace and happiness. Let's see what could be the possible outcome here for you guys till the what we have, honey. Till the 12th of July. I forgot the date itself. We have the Two of Swords. It's like things being up in the air, and things are not going to be crystal clear, or things are not going to be on the same page. Let's clarify the Two of Swords as the potential outcome here for you guys. I have the Seven of Cups, the Six of Wands, the Fool card. There's going to be lots of emotional confusion in the situation, emotionally all over the place kind of energy. On the surface, one of you is going to pick up this energy of, okay, let me work on myself, let me focus on myself, and let me move forward from the situation. Physically, both of you are moving forward in your lives. Energetically, you guys are so much connected to each other, still so much attached to each other. The codes are still very much attached. And then there is this situation that's up in the air. Nothing is happening, nothing is moving forward, nothing is moving down, going down. And basically, honestly speaking, it's going to be a little bit more messier than what it is right now. And then one of you is going to decide to detach from the situation, so the other person is not going to be left with any other option rather than leaving the situation alone for the time being. Okay, so if you're going to ask me if anything is going to shift or change in the physical world, I don't think so. Let's see the guidance here for you guys for this week, Libra. I have the Queen of Wands, the Wheel of Fortune, and the Judgment card. Okay, so in order to manifest your reality, the reality that you want to create in your life, the life that you want to manifest, you guys have to surrender to the divine, and you guys have to make sure that you are, relieving yourself, or you are detaching yourself from everything or everyone that is coming in the way of your manifestation, whether it's love and relationship area or otherwise also. So if you want to create your own reality, you have to remove each and everything from your life that is disturbing your growth or happiness, that is not allowing you to have that kind of manifestation in your life, in your 3D world, the way it should be. And surrender to the divine process. Trusting the process and surrendering to the divine is the most important factor in manifestation. And if you guys are not going to follow that, then the reality that you want to create might not happen. It will be delayed more and more and more until you are going to learn the lessons that are important for manifestation. That's how manifestation works. Okay, let me answer one of your questions related to this particular situation of your life, Libra. This portion also might or might not resonate. I'm going to give you 15 to 20 seconds to get the answer. If that's not enough, you can pause and pause whenever you feel like. And if you're not going to get a clear-cut yes or no, then you can take the message as the guidance for your situation if you want to. So let's start. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times in your mind space. Keep it short, simple, and precise. And your time starts now. Okay, so the answer to your question is get more information. Wherever you are putting your energies in, where is that? Get more information. Yeah. This card can function not just as a general suggestion that more information will help guide your decisions, but also as a warning that people or situations might not be as they initially seem. Seek to learn more about your present circumstances, then move forward. Okay. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Libra. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.